If you want to connect two holes in Blender quickly and cleanly, the fastest method is the Bridge Edge Loops tool. This is one of the most useful modeling shortcuts in Blender, especially when you need to join open edges, create smooth transitions, or build between two mesh openings without manually filling every face. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to bridge two holes in Blender step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tips and beginner-friendly tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, you need to make sure the holes are part of the same object. If your holes are in two separate meshes, go into Object Mode, select both objects, and press Ctrl+J to join them together. Blender can only bridge edge loops properly when they are inside the same object, so this step is important before anything else. Once the objects are joined, press Tab to enter Edit Mode. Now switch to Edge Select Mode by pressing 2 on your keyboard. This tells Blender that you want to work with edges instead of vertices or faces, which is exactly what you need for bridging loops. Next, select the first hole's edge loop. To do that, hold Alt and left-click on one of the edges around the opening. Blender will automatically select the full loop for you. This is much faster than selecting every edge one by one. If the loop doesn't select correctly, make sure you are clicking directly on an edge and not a face or vertex. Now hold Shift+Alt and left-click on the edge loop of the second hole. This adds the second loop to your current selection. At this point, both open edge loops should be highlighted, and Blender will be ready to create faces between them. With both edge loops selected, press Ctrl+E to open the edge menu. From the menu, choose Bridge Edge Loops. Blender will instantly generate faces connecting the two holes. In many cases, this is all you need, and the result will be a clean, connected surface between the two openings. If the bridge doesn't look quite right, you may need to adjust the shape, spacing, or number of segments on the loops. But in most simple cases, this method gives you a fast and reliable connection between two holes. It's especially useful for creating tubes, mechanical parts, character models, or any object where two open mesh areas need to be joined smoothly. So to recap, the full process is: join the objects if needed, go into Edit Mode, switch to Edge Select, select both edge loops with Alt clicks, then use Ctrl+E and bridge edge loops. That's the quickest way to bridge two holes in Blender. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Blender tutorials, modeling shortcuts, and time-saving 3D workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.